Welcome to the Charity Spotlight. Each week I sit down with people making a difference, and this week I'm here with radiologist Stohr and Tawana Haynes. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So Dr. Stohr, tell me a little bit about your background and why your work is so important to you.
Well, my interest is actually twofold. On a personal note, I lost my wife to breast cancer about 2.5 years ago. She struggled with the disease for over 13 years. So it obviously has a big impact on me. On a professional note, I'm a radiologist, so I understand the importance of early screening and detection of breast cancer and the impact of what that has on people's lives and people's families as well. So I have many levels of interest in the disease.
And it's very important to you. Now you guys are holding this huge mammothon. It's a kind of creative name. Yeah. So Tawana, tell me a little bit about this huge event that you're doing for the second year now.
This is our second annual mammothon that we hold in our Glastonbury office, and we're going to be providing 26.2 consecutive hours of mammography. We'll be educating women, helping to raise awareness on the cause and on their...
You're going to be holding massages. It's going to be an awesome day for so many women that are coming to your office.
Yes.
And Dr. Stohr, tell me just a little bit about why it is so important for women to be there that day and maybe even to get involved.
Well, for one reason or another, breast cancer, Connecticut has the second highest incidence of breast cancer in the United States. So it's a disease that's affecting many people. And our goal is to get people out there to understand the disease and to get into screening programs. One thing that we've learned over the years is that mammography, in fact, saves lives. So we need people to know that they need to get out, get their screening mammograms. The baseline mammogram is recommended between the ages of 35 and 40, and then annual screening thereafter. So we want women to be aware, because we know that early detection is the best tool that we have for fighting this disease.
And your work is helping that every single day. Dr. Stohr, Tawana Haynes, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks you for having us.
And if you know someone making a difference, I'd love to share their story as well. You can send your emails right to bgoldman@ctnow.com or head to my Facebook page. Remember, follow me on Twitter at CT Charity Corner for the latest on charitable news and upcoming guests. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week. But until then, keeping Connecticut charitable. Ben Goldman, Fox, Connecticut.